It starts with whispers and beginnings. Yizwa imithandazo yethu. It's the silent prayers before the day, thanks before a meal, and the whispers to our Maker before bed. The soft strike of a match, the crackle of tinder, and wheezing of air as it ignites the logs of a fire. The broken silence of birds before the sun, the whistle of a kettle, and the hum of an exhausted fridge in an old kitchen. We are daily life, familiar rhythms. The squeak of a wheelbarrow, the shuffling shoes before a load, and the creak of handles as it tips. The dry sliding sound of a Siaya door, the signature hooter on the way to North, the pull of a diesel engine on a bakkie, and the grunt of a tractor plowing fields, and a curse of a farmer without rain. It's a bicycle with cloth pegs on the back wheel, and the grunt of vrapa, the crack of a plastic ball on glass during a table soccer game, and the metallic drop of a 5 rand coin into a pool table slot. Children singing Olka Polka in the street, cicadas keeping time on scorching summer days, skipping ropes creating a mesmerizing rhythm, and feet stomping the beat. The beat. Voices of memory, spirit, and culture. Nkosi sikelela thina luswapo lwayo. The loud greetings of gogo on the street, muffled tones of adults at the kitchen, and the sob of a mother, the anguished shout of a father, the cries of a child, and the roar of laughter that follows. Morena buluka sichaba sahesu, the multi-tones of Sunday morning choirs, voices washing the spirit clean, and the preacher's call beneath a tree. Oor ons ewige gebergtes, the deafening silence over the mountaintops, rolling thunder across the savannah, and the whispers of wind in the grass. The sound between, the ring of a school bell, the feedback of a microphone at assembly, and the swoosh of a cane in old-fashioned discipline, the click of a big pen, and the crinkle of a love note being passed across the classroom, the static of a radio dial searching for a station, the needle slicing across a Springbok Hit Parade vinyl, the theme tune to WKRP in Cincinnati, the SABC News jingle, the music. Gom, amapiano, kwaito, soki, kwela, block music choirs and choral groups, struggle songs, luta continua, en die hele wêreld word stil, maar Johnny is nie dood nie. It was huge, it was angry, it was drawing near, giving me hope, Joanna. The whistle of a passerby, the chatter of beads, and the precision of a well-tuned instrument. It's the snare drum to your jazz performance. Heritage sounds like the rhythm of Chibalana drums, the ululation of women filled with proverbs. Heritage also sounds like Bollywood rhythms meeting global hip-hop, the buzz of the street markets, chai vendors calling, and debates over cricket scores. We are collective joy. United we shall stand. It's the roar of a jumbo jet over a packed stadium. Excited fans shouting fish at Bafana Bafana and beast at a rugby game. Mapimpi over the line and Impi blasting through the speakers. Taste the sound, the sizzle of meat on a braai, radio commentary in Afrikaans drifting from a car, the sound of exploding flavors as herbs crack between fingers over a bubbling pot, the sour sound of mabele bringing the harmonies of IPCC in the morning. We are not a nation to be silent. It is sound that has called us together. Halala, my heritage. Halala, South Africa.